Hello friends, and welcome to the Professor Mende show. I know I make way too little videos, but today I'm going to show you quickly how someone tried to scam me again and again and again and again. I should make much more of these videos. Stay tuned and I'll show you how, it's an amazing scam because it looks so real, and I warn you and I'll show you exactly how to prevent this scam. Stay tuned. Alright, so here we go. So you can see this is X2Y2, the website. So now in this website it's an NFT marketplace. But what you don't know is that some people, they kinda cloned this website and they will approach you. So for example, this Julie Max person, if you wrote me and I received the message, I'm interested to buy your NFT. So this one here, okay, I own this one. And probably this person knows that I have this NFT because in my wallet, which is registered on OpenSea, there's also my X account, my Twitter handle. So it's easy to write me, to identify me, because I'm the owner of it. And it's in my blockchain wallet, where in my profile I wrote my Twitter X ID. So basically, I answer immediately 0.5 ETH, because this would be the price I would accept for it. Not a bad offer. Let me think about it. Look how clever it's done. It's not that like directly, yes, I will buy it. No, it's clever. So now, sure sir, after the next day, I think after a few hours I answered, and then this person sends me an offer. And look how this offer looks like, because we can send offers in marketplaces. And it's so nice written, you see, it looks so realistic. So now, when you see this offer, there is a link down in the corner, like the forwarder link from Twitter. So now I go right, copy link, and I put it in the link checker. So this is the link virus checker. So this is actually the link which was there, and this link redirects to this. So yes, X2YIO, that's actually the original website, but the website, it's actually takers.bid, and this is like a sub and a subdomain. So as you see, this is a scam, but still the checkers, they say there's no scam, no warning, no nothing. So I checked it in another URL scanner, and the site seems to be safe. Okay, so if there's nothing what can attack me on this site, it's safe. So I'm opening it, of course, but before I opened it, actually, I opened the original page. So let's go to the original page. But as you can see here in the domain, it's surely a fake domain, and here the amount is offered, and no, not the amount, this is the offer, the 0.5 ETH. And now I actually just need to accept it as soon as I log in with my MetaMask. And you need to be careful. In some pages, your MetaMask will try to log in itself without permission. And then if this happens and you just verify one signature, you sign anything, your whole MetaMask, everything inside, it's gone. It's gone. So now let's go to the original page. X2, this is the true page. Okay, I'm logged in here and I go on my items. And as you guys see, this is the NFT, right? Alright, so let's go on it. And now this is the floor price, but there's no offer. So for some reason the hacker, but you see that's the real page here. You see? But here in the hacker page, it looks the same. But now when I click on the link, you see, this is not the domain. This is the subdomain, and this is the domain. So guys, please be very, very careful about such things, because these people, they will want to steal your money. And now when we go back and click on the account of the hacker, look how this account looks like. I mean, it looks very genuine. It has tweets, replies, media, posts. It's been active since a while. And we can go back and back and back and back, and it uploads the same things just to look busy and genuine. And it retweets things, because retweets, they always have numbers, right? So yeah, that's my warning. Don't fall for these scams. Make sure that anything what has not the real domain, it's a scam. And if you're drunk or intoxicated or anything, I don't recommend to do anything with MetaMask or any wallets anyways, because mistakes can happen more easy. So this site should be actually blacklisted, but it's not in the blacklist. I would like to try to report it. I will try, because you see, none of the website scanners can find it. Anyhow, I hope this was a small warning. This is a very quick, spontaneous video, and I'll try to make more like this. Peace. Stay safe.